In a world where everyday situations can become life-altering events, what if you had a tool that could empower you to escape, rescue, and defend? Introducing the ultimate tool of survival and self-defense, the Surevival pen. This isn't just any pen, it's a marvel of innovation and design. With a patent-pending seatbelt cutter concealed under the pen clip, you're always prepared to cut your way to safety. When seconds count, you can trust Surevival pen to get you out of harm's way. But that's not all. Our pen is designed with another unique feature, a telescoping tip. Retract the tip, and it becomes a flat thumb rest for striking the sharp tungsten carbide tip with maximum power. This powerful tool can shatter glass with ease, whether you need to escape from inside a vehicle or rescue someone from outside. Surevival pen is not just a lifesaver, it's a versatile everyday pen too. Enjoy the smooth, bolt action mechanism and a comfortable grip for everyday writing. And when you need it for defense, you can trust the solid aluminum body and sharp tip. It's a powerful tool to deter potential threats. A simple act of carrying Surevival pen could be the difference between life and death. Don't leave your safety to chance. Equip yourself with this ultimate life-saving tool. Surevival pen is more than a pen. It's your shield against danger. Don't wait until it's too late. Secure your Surevival pen today. When danger strikes, will you be ready?